Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram for Android. If you're not seeing the option, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix that. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, go to your profile and tap the plus icon at the top. If you see broadcast channel here, you're good to go. But if you don't see it, there's one main requirement you need to meet. Switch to creator account. Okay, so tap on the Edit Profile button right below your profile picture. Scroll down and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Follow the prompts by tapping on Next. Choose the category that best describes you and hit the Switch to Professional Account button. Now, here's the thing. You need to select Creator and tap Next and follow the prompts to finish the setup. One more thing. Make sure your account is public. Go back to Settings, tap Account Privacy, and turn off the Private Account toggle if it's on. Now, go back to Settings, open Creator Tools and Controls, then tap on Branded Content. You should see your status as eligible here. If it's still not appearing, you'll need to contact Instagram support directly and explain that you have a creator account but can't access broadcast channels. And that's it. Instagram should enable it for you within a few days. If this helped, let me know in the comments.